Here are 5 proven ways to get rich using the power of the law of attraction. I mean, after all, you deserve to be wealthy. Hi, everyone. Robert Zink, miracle mentor and alchemy success coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle, and we are always flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. High flyers, want to remind you to visit us at lawofattractionsolutions.com. You can claim your 30 minutes of miracle mentoring, alchemy success coaching. You can get your free ebook, your free audiobook. There's tons of articles. This is a resource center for personal success, happiness, and the law of attraction. Well, high flyers, I'm going to share with you what I believe are 5 proven ways to get rich and to attract more wealth, abundance, and prosperity into your life. So remember, high flyers, that the universe gives you what you are, not what you want. So therefore, number 1 is to live in the mindset of wealth, prosperity, and abundance. And you may be saying, look at Robert, how do I do that? Because I don't have any money right now. Things aren't going that great for me. So it's very difficult for me to get into the mindset of love, prosperity, money, wealth, that kind of thinking. But hey, you can do it. It's not impossible. Here's how. Love the vibration of money. When you see money, always be grateful for that money. When you receive money, always be grateful for that money. When you learn to respect money and develop a love affair with the vibration of money, money will start flowing into your life from untold sources. I mean, it's absolutely amazing where money will come from, but it will come. Next, if you want to live in the mindset of wealth and abundance, I think you need to value money. You need to say money is important. A lot of people today, they try to, distance themselves from money as if money, they'll say things like, well, money's a necessary evil. No, it's not evil at all. Money is a necessary good because of all the wonderful things you can do with money to improve your life and to help the lives of those you love. And also to live in the mindset of wealth and abundance and prosperity and money. I think it's important that you start to develop a plan to grow your money. Now, you can take all your fiat currency, that's your dollar bills, that's money that's created by a government. And that money may go up in value, it may go way down in value. At the time of this video, money is going way down in value because of inflation. So you have to find another way to grow your money, whether it's through precious metals or real estate or cryptocurrency. I like cryptocurrency. I like precious metals because the government doesn't have control of them. And anything the government controls, it usually F's up. You know what I'm saying? It doesn't do a good job of it. So you need to be in control of your wealth, not the government. Well, high flyers, number 2 is to choose a prosperity circle that you hang with. Find people in your prosperity circle and hang with them and get to know them and let them get to know you and develop a close friendship with them. People affect people. People affect people. So the people that you are around will have a vibratory effect on you and the kind of money you attract into your life or the kind of money you don't attract into your life. It's up to you. Also, by choosing people that are a part of your prosperity circle that share new and empowering beliefs. Look, I can barely get my mind wrapped around cryptocurrency, but I understand the concept. And the concept is really no different than fiat currency. Fiat currency says this is $1, it's worth $1. But how much does $1 buy? that changes. And it's the same thing with cryptocurrency. The only difference is the government can make that dollar worth more or make that dollar worth less. And it doesn't make any difference whether it's a dollar or a rupee or a pound or whatever it is. It's the same principle. With cryptocurrency, it's the community at large that determine the value of the crypto coin. So you get the idea. You want to grow your money, but you want to have beliefs. I couldn't have believed in cryptocurrency 10 years ago, 20 years ago. My father and my grandparents certainly wouldn't have been able to get their mind wrapped around it. But my son and his children will find it very common. It'll be very easy for them to have beliefs about cryptocurrency. As an example, I'm just using this as an example because there are other beliefs that are empowering or limiting. And so you want to find beliefs and people that share those beliefs that are empowering for your money. You want to limit your time with people that have limiting beliefs about money because these people have what I call a poverty mentality, and they're going to keep you in that poverty mindset. You know, you become birds of a feather flock together. You become the kind of people you associate with. Well, high flyers, number 3 is develop money attracting habits. Rather than me tell you the habits, take 10 wealthy people, and 5 of those people live today. They're alive right now. And 5 lived in the past, 50 years ago, 100 years ago, 200 years ago, and study them and learn their habits. You're going to find that a lot of the habits that people had 100 years ago, 150 years ago, when it comes to attracting and making money, are the same habits that people have today. But there are a variety of habits. Find the habits that work for you and make them yours. Next, to develop money attracting habits is study a wealth system and become the most educated person in the room. If there's 20 people in the room that are talking about cryptocurrency, you want to be the person that knows the most about it. I'm not that person right now, but I'm working on it. If you're a crypto master, call me. I want to learn from you. Okay. It's the same with investing in real estate or stocks and bonds or gold and silver and precious metals. You know, there's a variety of things you can invest your money in and learn about to grow money even while you're sleeping. Multi-level marketing is phenomenal. People poo-poo it all the time, but those are people that have failed at it. And those are people with limiting beliefs. So whatever it is, study your wealth system and become the most educated person in the room on that system. Well, high flyers, use Neville Goddard's technique. Visualize the end in mind. See yourself in your new home with your new car, your new office, your employees, your company. See yourself living the wish fulfilled and burn it into your subconscious every morning and every evening. Make it a part of your daily habit. Last but not least, high flyers, if you really want to attract money into your life fast, take inspired action. As you learn more about money, as you develop a money frequency mindset, guess what happens? You start to receive inspiration. You start to receive ideas. And all of a sudden, boom, you're there. And you're taking inspired action. And good things are manifesting for you in the name of money. Money is too damn easy to make. I mean that. Here's some other videos to help you on your journey.